Hi everyone, this is the Starry Master. In this class, we will continue our chapter 2 and we will see seventh problem from exercise 2.1 chapter numbers and sequence. So let's go into the video. Here in seventh problem, find the largest number which divides 1230 and 1926, leaves the remainder 12 in each case. So we have to take this two value 1230 minus remainder is 12. So minus 12 and 1926 minus 12. We will get answer 1218 and here 1914. Okay, because remainder is 12, so we will reduce 12 in both the side. Okay, and we have to implement Euclid's division algorithm. Okay, algorithm is a equal to bq plus, or we have to write this in these expressions. So in place of a we have to write the biggest value. So 1914 equal to, in place of b we have to write the smallest value 1218, and we have to find the quotient and the remainder. Okay, remainder, or so we will take 1914 1218. So 1218 is one time, so remainder is 696. Okay, so we will take quotient q here or here. So quotient and remainder here we've got here 696. Okay, then we will take 1218 on this side has a dividend, and remainder 696 has divisor, and we have to find value, quotient value and remainder. So 696 ones are 696 plus 522, we will get this value. We have to find this. Then we will take 696 here and 522. So then we have to find quotient. 522 ones are, remaining here is 174. Okay, again we have to take this 522 here, 174, and 174 threes are 522. Okay, so plus there is no remainder is 0, so we will stop until we get remainder 0, so we have to stop till here. Okay, so the HCF of 1218 and 1914 is 174. Okay, so the largest number is 174, which they have asked. Okay, then we have eighth problem. If d is in highest common factor of 32 and 60, find x and y satisfies this equation. So first of all we have to take same format in a is equal to b cube plus r format. Then first we will take the highest value as a and lowest value as b, and we have to find q value and remainder. So 32 ones are 32 plus 28, we will get 60. Okay, then we will take 32 here and 28 here. Okay, 21 ones are 21 plus 4, we will get 32. Then we will take 28 here and we will take 4 here. 4 sevens are 28, so remainder 0. Okay, and we have to stop until we get remainder 0. Okay, we have to stop here. Then we will take this as equation 1 and equation 2. Okay, so here we have found the value of d is then highest common factor, so the value of d equal to 4, which we got here. This is, and we have found d. Then we have to find this value, we have to substitute here. So we will take first second. Okay, take 32 equal to 28 into 1 plus 4. Okay, plus 4 remains there, we will take this in this side. Okay, 32 minus, we will take this both here, 28, it is in plus symbol, when it comes here we will get in minus. Okay, into 1 equal to 4 remains there itself. So because 4 here now, so we'll take 4. Let's take this as equation 3. Okay, then we will take equation 1 here. This is equation 2 and we will take equation 1 here. Equation 1 value is 60 equal to 32 into 1 plus 28. So we will take this value here. So 60 minus 32 into 1 is equal to 28. 28 remains there itself. Okay, then we have to find this in this format. So d equal to 32x plus 60. We have to take 32 and 60 in this format. So in place of d, we know we have taken 4. Okay, in 32 we have to write this full value. 4 equal to what we have here, 32 minus 28 into 1. Okay, this value have taken and written here. Okay, then we have 32 minus 28 equal to this value. Okay, 28 equal to this value. So we will substitute here 60 minus 32 into 1. Okay, again in place of 28 we have written this, then we have into 1 separately. Okay, so we will take 32. We have 32 2 times. Here minus symbol, when it comes out we will get 32 in plus. Okay, 60 in plus symbol, when it comes out we will get minus 60. Okay, into 1 we will leave as it is. Okay, or we will take into 1 plus, when it comes out it will give minus 1. Okay, here we have 32 2 times, so let's take 32 into 2, and here we need here plus 60, so we will take plus 60 into minus 1, so that we can get the value here 4. Okay, so we can get here value 4. See, 32 into 2, 32 into 2 we will get 64. Okay, plus we will get minus 60 minus 1 is our minus 60, so we will get 4 here. So we need 4. So here 32, take x plus 60y is equal to 4. So x is equal to 2 and y equal to minus 1. Okay, if you like this video, give it a like, share to your friends and leave a comment. I will post my videos often, so stay tuned and subscribe to our channel to get all our latest updates and press the bell icon to get the notification. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.